One of Quest is a page na usually we are into events dito sa Philippines. Diyan lang naman sa Manila or Quezon City. We go
Mhm.
to toy cons, cosplay events. One of Quest kasi it's not just a Facebook group or a YouTube channel. It's a community. Nag-interview kami ng mga tao. Actually, I don't call it as interview. I call it as panggugulo. My partner always tell me, ano ba sinasabi mo ng gugulo tayo? Hindi tayo ng gugulo. Ako and my partner si Yukiko is introverts kami. Then eventually, we grow tired of being an introvert. One day, sabi niya sa akin, ba't hindi tayo mag-interview? Sigurado ka? Oh, multimedia arts naman tayo. Why not?
Mhm.
Then we started one of Quest like 2024.
Mhm.
Then, pumunta kami ng Recollex event ni chairman dyan sa may RGCP. Start kami mag-interview ng tao, we made connections. Sabi namin, ang ganda pala ng ginagawa natin eh. Why not ituloy na lang natin? Then, eventually, we're here.